Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a great omelet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you love, like cheese or herbs. Whisk the eggs well with a pinch of salt and pepper until they're slightly frothy. This adds air for a fluffier texture. Make sure you have an 8-inch non-stick pan ready. It's key for an easy flip. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Wait until it foams slightly, indicating it's hot enough. Pour in your whisked eggs, tilting the pan to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds. Then, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. It's time for the delicious fillings. Once the eggs are mostly set but still a little moist on top, add your favorite ingredients, such as shredded cheese, sautéed mushrooms, or fresh herbs, to 1/2 of the omelet. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the fillings to warm through and the cheese to melt. Then, using a spatula, gently fold the omelet in half and carefully slide it onto your plate. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, delicious omelet ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor its warm, fluffy texture and melted fillings. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chives or a sprinkle of paprika. This easy method ensures a fantastic breakfast or brunch every time. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.